Let me know if you see my screen, please.
Oh, yes, we can.
You can see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So okay. Yeah, this is when the market is falling down and you see an inverse hammer, you just look for confirmation. Some people look at this hammer, a next candle, if it starts green, they start, put their stop loss below this inverse hammer candle and start buying. Other people wait for the confirmation for this green candle to complete the second one above the inverse hammer, and they start taking by the stock or whatever indices. Inverse hammer. Then you have a harami. Harami is a candlestick pattern I've shown you last time. It is like harami means, the word means pregnant. So in Japanese, harami means pregnant. So you see this is bullish. When you see a downward trend and you see a green candle just engulfed, not engulfed, but cross 50%, but within the red candle, it's like a protruding stomach, like somebody having a belly, like a pregnant woman having a big belly. Once you see this, it's a confirmation. So what do? You put a stop loss below this green candle, and above that green candle, you start buying harami. Then yeah, the Marubozu. Marubozu is nothing but a candle which is a strong candle. You can see with a small wick or without a wick, a huge green candle. That's a Marubozu candle. When there's a downtrend, markets keep on falling. You see a big green candle with a wick or without a wick. That shows that a reverse has started. Market is going to reverse now. It's going to go up. Okay, next, piercing line. This also we have spoken. Piercing line also we have spoken about it. I think the two stick pattern made up of a long red candle followed by a long green candle, and it has to cross 50% of the red candle. If it's crossed 50% and above, standing still, that means you can go long, and this has to be on a reverse trend. Means the market is falling down, and you see a big red candle followed by a green candle which has crossed more than 50% of the red candle. That means bulls have taken over the bears. Bears start booking the profits, so market goes up. Tweezer top and bottom. This also we have seen at the top, same line. The tweezer top means market is going up. You see a red candle formed exactly in line with the green candle, same line to line. Then the market starts falling. That means bears have taken control. In the same way, for a bullish pattern, tweezer bottom, market is falling. You see a green candle, same to same. You see that the wick also is same. Not necessary, but in the real market, it's not possible. It will be little here and there, but that's okay. Market starts going up. We have already touched morning star. The morning star is important. I'll tell you morning star and evening star, which will touch base important. This pattern, you have a success rate of 75 to 80% gunshot. Lot of trends, you take any stock and see whenever it's falling down and you see this evening star pattern, means a red candle followed by a doji. Doji means you'll have upper wick and a lower wick with a small body in the middle. Doji. So that this pattern, red candle followed by a doji. Doji can be green or red, doesn't make a difference. And followed by a green candle. This is an evening star. Evening star confirmation. Next candle above this green candle, you can start buying and you can take a call from there. In the same way, 3 white candles at the bottom. If you see 3 white candles, it's a bullish sign. 3 white candles nowadays, I'm seeing it's a success rate is below 50%, but still, yeah. Now from here we'll go with a bearish candle pattern. Okay, bearish candle pattern.
Sorry to interrupt you, Matthew. Can we just take a question here?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Take.
So in the chart that you shared last time, right? The 4 patterns that you shared. I was a little confused about the 4th one. Like I saw it as a tweezer top, and you said it was.
Yeah,
it is
that's okay, fine. I mean, yeah, that's okay. I mean, that's what
I just wanted to understand. Like, can there be coexisting patterns kind of stuff? And
see here.
Yeah.
Here you might have gone by the wick. This is actually is an engulf this candle, right? Totally.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah. So this can be a bearish engulfing, but if you don't look at the wick, the candle itself, like it's like a tweezer.
Yes.
If you ignore the wick, it's like a tweezer.
Mhm.
It has completely engulfed the green candle. So it can be a bearish engulfing or a tweezer top. Tweezer top, ideally they say it has to be same, but in the realistic world, you not get same. Very difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and
Yeah.
the next question that I have is that out of the all patterns that we just talked about, you talked about the success rate of the morning star being very high.
Yeah.
But what are the, like, normally which ones are the ones that occur most often? Like I'm
Most
assuming
often
that
you'll find a hammer pattern. It could be a inverse hammer or hammer. You'll see
Okay.
morning star, evening star more, and bearish engulfing. You see a big bearish or a bullish engulfing, go for it. Especially this should happen at the support and resistance. You need to know where is the support of a stock or an indices, where it is the resistance of a stock or an indices. If you have sketched that, for example, let me take you quickly because this is a little important to what you have asked and like it. Let me take you to, for example, Abhi, what we will do, everybody is asking me these days HDFC ka kahani. Sir, what is with HDFC Bank? Okay, let's go with HDFC Bank. Okay, quickly I'll make you understand. See, HDFC Bank now, this is a one day we are looking at. Okay, so normally what they will do, you can go by 5 minutes. I'm just showing you 5 minutes how you will see the chart. This is how 5 minutes chart is. Okay, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है इधर? See here it is resistance. Here somewhere support because going up, but 5 minutes. This is following under this channel, 2 channel. I will not draw anything now. Okay, go with another 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you will see what it stock went up from here. See, it took support from here. Wait, where? यहाँ से ऊपर चला गया, right? It went up from here. Last candle, it came down from here. It went up. Where till where it went up? It went up till here. So for temporary, for 15 minutes, what I know, HDFC went, touched 17,016 and it's coming down. It may touch here. After touching here, if it's a good support here, again it will go up, right? That is a trend. That's a 15 minutes intraday. What I'll do again, okay, let me look at 30 minutes, what it shows. 30 minutes, it shows some little difference. I can see, but you can't see, but I'll tell you what is that.
Matthew,
Again,
sir,
it
can
is
you
within the range.
go back to 15 minutes? I just got a question
Okay.
on the support particularly.
Ah.
So why are we calling this point as support and not the point which is probably near the green line that you have above that, which is 1685?
I'll teach you that point. Have not come that how to draw a support. See, I'll tell you. See here. Look at this candle went up. You see a weak. That means sellers pushed the market down, right?
Then
Followed
yeah,
by
it
that.
was probably a resistance at that point.
Correct. It was a resistance at that point. Look at the red candle. Again, it went up here. See, small. It made an inverse hammer, came down. Again, this green candle. After the green candle, red candle came. That means market was pushed. But after this, so here it was a resistance. This big green engulfing candle, bullish candle engulf. So this becomes your support now. So market now this becomes the support because this was a red. Okay. This was the
Okay. I think I get
initially.
it.
This was
So it
resistance because
actually broke out, and once it breaks out, the resistance becomes a support.
yeah. So let's finish this bearish pattern because
Sure.
next topic would be this. This is very important because once you understand the chart pattern, see this. I would go with this hammer because it is close to your resistance. But somewhere here in between some hammer, if I would not go because no, there's no support, no resistance. I want a hammer at the resistance. I want an inverse hammer at the support, or I want a morning star at the support, evening star at the resistance. Then only you'll have a 1-2 or a 1-3 risk reward ratio. That means if I put 10,000 twice 20,000, I should get. That's what is the point? Waste, no? All right, let me go to this. Let me finish this. Okay. I'll come there. It's a good question. I'll
Sure.
anyway, let me finish it because okay. So now see, look at 15 minutes. Then what I'll do, I'll draw 30 minutes. I'll see what is there. I can see something, but you can't see because you're not trained. Your eyes are not trained. Why? What I can see here, see this. Let me draw something and show you. Line. Okay. Okay, let me log this. I can see something here. What is that? All right, you see something I've drawn. Okay, this is called, when I teach you, this is called pole and flag and pole. Okay, flag and pole is a bullish trend for any stock. If you see a flag and pole in indices, in a stock or anything, it is made a pole. It went up, then slowly it is coming trend. It's consolidating here. So 30 minutes. Now what I'll do, I'll go with 1 hour. Does it show flag and pole? Yes, confirmed. I'll go with 2 hours. Flag and pole? Yes. I'll go with 4 hours. Yes, flag and pole. I'll go with 1 day chart. Flag and pole hai, but chota hai. They're fair enough. So flag and pole is a trend. So what I'm doing from a small timeline, 15 minutes, I'm going to a higher time frame. So now what see, I drew a trend line. Next chance should be hitting this trend line. It should go up. If it goes down, breaks this trend line, it should further come down, because this is 3 touch points are there. If there are 3 touch points, that means it's a good support. The next it should go up, but if it breaks with a big candle, like red candle, it should fall down. What I can see here, see this, if I show you like this, it's a pole, one pole and a flag. It's falling flag. The flag should be leaning downwards than compared to this pole. So it's leaning downwards. Flag and pole. Okay. Anyway, we'll touch base that later. All right. So bearish candle pattern we'll go through now. Hanging man, just inverse of a hammer. This is a hammer, but they call it hanging man because this is at the top. When the market is heading towards the top, keep on going and going. If you see a hanging man, that means sellers try to push the market down, but bulls were a little stronger. They pushed it up with great difficulty. That's the reason it came with a red candle. It could be green candle also, but you can see a long wick. The bulls try to pull the market up. Bears were there. They started selling it. It came down and it went up. So from here, the potential direction should be down. Confirmation, you can take the next candle. And if it's a negative candle, red candle, you can take that below this. Where am I cursor? If you're a safe player here, when the red candle ends, or if you're a little risky at the beginning of the red candle here, and stop loss at the closing of that hammer. Hanging man, sorry, inverse hammer or hanging man. There you'll put the stop loss and you'll start shorting the market or selling it. Okay. This is a hanging man. Hanging man.
The color does not matter for this one as well.
No, color doesn't matter. Again, color doesn't matter because what happened? Understand the psychology.
Yeah.
The buyers of pushing the market every day, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 10th day pushed. But now what is happening? The momentum has lost. Momentum lost means the bulls have slowly giving off. The bears have taken control. They push the market till the week end here. The bears have pushed the market till the week end here. Again, the bulls have pulled it till. So the tussle is happening. Fighting is happening. Aggressive fighting. That means whatever bulls had that capacity to pull the market, that has gone. So now when you see this kind of a green or red, that means it is a bearish candle, hanging man. A hammer formed at the top of the trend, at the top of the what do you call bull trend. Blindly go and short, but short in such a way with a confirmation. How you'll get a confirmation? The next candle, red candle, wherever it finishes, from there you can take a next position. If you're a safe player, if you're an aggressive player, after that in hammer or the hanging man, wherever it closes, next candle, if you see it's a red candle for 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, blindly jump and take it. Sometimes what happens to scare you, it may go below this hammer, 2, 3 points, you may get scared. A lot of people will put their stop loss there because that's called stop loss hunting. You'll want to hunt your stop loss, you'll get scared and you may jump off. That is nothing but They want to take a lot of people who have taken position to go up so that they'll square up the position, market will go down. That's the reason they do that. So this is also very good pattern. You can see hanging man or a hammer, but at the top. Shooting star. Shooting star, I'm telling you success rate is 70-75%. But it has to form trending market. See, now the market is trending. Whichever stock was trending for a good time, you see this pattern, no? This pattern means a green candle followed by this inverse hammer, okay, and followed by another one. What do you call bearish candle? This is called evening star. But now what we are learning about a shooting star. So this can be called even evening star. All the three, okay, three components. I'll show you the part of this. This is bearish candle. That is shooting star. Shooting star means market is going up, up, up. It went up till this wick, but the bears pulled it down and closed it somewhere here. That means the bears have taken control. The market chances of market falling down is high. Next is the shooting star. Shooting star also a percentage, I would say 60%, 50, 60, 65%. It's good, provided it is at the resistance. Next, bearish engulfing. A bearish engulfing pattern occurs at the end of the uptrend. Whenever uptrend is going, you see a green candle followed by a big red candle which is engulfed the green candle. So the green candle will be a little small, followed by see this. Market is going up. Look at my cursor falling up. There's a green candle. So what next candle is a big candle. Look at the wick and the candle. It totally engulfed it. This is a okay engulfing candle, but I would say a bearish engulfing would be a big candle without the wick, or wick could be very small, completely engulfs the preceding candle. The candle which is formed before, that's a green candle. That is also a very good sign of bearish trend. Just imagine market going up, up, bulls are in power. Suddenly, a big red candle, what will happen? All the bulls will get scared. Their stop loss start hitting, or they'll see MTM profit going low. They start booking profit. So that will also add fuel to market falling down. Simple. So it falls down. This should be at the uptrend. Next, evening star. Very, very important. I'm telling you, evening star, I've seen success rate is very good. You can look in indices, stocks, whatever it is. The evening star is a 3 candlestick pattern. See this? Look at my cursor. Green candle followed by a doji. Doji means an indecisive candle. Doji means neither the bull have won nor the bears have won. Indecisive. Nobody has won. Initially, bulls are taking control. Suddenly doji. So that means sellers and buyers are fighting. Then you see a red candle. This is called evening star. Evening star has to be formed at the top. Morning star has to form at the bottom. Remember these two words. Evening star at the top, morning star at the bottom. Simple. If you can analyze this, 90% you will make profit. You can make out this only these two patterns. You keep playing every day or monthly, whatever stock, you'll make profit. 100% sure, I'll tell you. Evening star at the top, morning star at the bottom of a trend, at the support. Simple, clear? And look at it. Again, don't go and buy once you see a green candle followed by doji R. Okay, this is no, what do you call evening star. Let me go in short. No, wait for the confirmation candle. It has to have this red candle followed by the preceding doji. There should be a red candle. After that, you buy. When you put a stop loss above near to that starting of that red candle, then you start buying. The second red candle starts. Then just keep waiting for 1:2 or 1:3 profit, book your profit and say thank you. Next, 3 black crows. Instead of black, I told you because the Americans call it white and black candles, we call it green and red. Black crow, I'm not very fascinating guy about black crows because sometimes what happens, in indices I've seen 3 times it comes down like this red, red, red. Suddenly you'll see a big engulfing green candle. Your stop loss hit, all your profit made in a day gone. So I don't trust much, but certain times it like it's very bearish scenario. Some bad news came. Suddenly you saw something fighting, war started. So if you see such pattern, then I would say, okay, I'll go because negative news is there. I don't see any bulls entering the market because the market trend is negative. Suddenly it changed out to be negative. Okay. This is called the 3 red crows. Next, dark cloud cover. Dark cloud cover is simple in language. Market is going up. There's a green candle, but again, you have this red candle was a green candle because you look at the wick, it went up till here, so it might be green, but suddenly it went down and closed at the bottom. That means slowly the bull trend has shifted to the bearish trend. Okay. How you get a confirmation means see small candle. That means if this green candle would have crossed 50% of this red candle, trend has reversed. That means again bull have taken power. But here what happened? First bulls have taken control. After that bears have come into control because a big candle which crossed 50%. The third candle could not even cross 50% of the red candle. That is a confirmation. That means market is go fall down. Simple. Clear? The big bearish candle has crossed 50% here. The next confirmation candle, if it has gone up more than 50%, the green candle, then we would have said, okay, we will continue the trend. But here, no, because not cross. So a reverse pattern. This pattern, a very less you will find. Success ratio, I don't know. I've not checked this success ratio of this. So I can't comment much on this. But whenever you see this and you see a confirmation, a green candle is smaller than the red candle, not even cross 50%. You take a small quantity, right? Don't go with a big quantity. What I would do, I would, if the candle crosses this opening price of this green candle goes below that, then I will short from there. My stop loss will be this green candle stop. This will be my stop loss. So my stop loss will be very small. Then I will short the market. All right. 4 continuation candlestick patterns means this patterns, if you see, it could be a continuation, not 100%. Chances are high that it could be a continuation pattern. So we are done with bearish candlesticks pattern. Okay. So bearish, we have started with here. Hanging man. When the trend is up, you see a hanging man. Hanging man, why they call it? Because there's a head, there's a thin one wick like a leg, right? That's the reason they call it hanging man. Shooting star. Shooting star, why? At the top, this is how the star falls, they say, right? Shooting star. It's like an inverse hammer, but on the top. Shooting star. Bearish engulfing, you already know because you know bullish engulfing. It has engulfed the preceding candle, a green candle. A red candle has eaten up the green candle. Evening star, very important. Trend is high, green candle followed by a doji. Doji can be red or green, doesn't matter. Followed by a bearish candle. If this and the candle has to close, just don't jump because red candle just started. Don't jump. Let this pattern complete. Then you can enter for a short trade. 3 black crows or red. I've told you this kind of a thing. Any bad news is there or heavy selling is happening. And you see a reverse trend means I would call a retracement. After the retracement, I see this 3 black crow or whatever red crow. Definitely, I may go for it. I'll show you in the chart, but this you can't trust much. Little risky. Dark cloud. A red candle crossed more than 50%, followed by a green candle which could not cross 50%, but below. That's a confirmation. You have to short. This is the 4 continuation. What I'm showing now is 4 continuation candlestick pattern. Whenever the trend is up or down, after looking at that candlestick pattern, we can say, okay, trend is going to be up or trend is going to be down. Continuation pattern. One is doji. Doji, you know, doji means what? Neither the seller nor the buyer. They're fighting, but nobody is a winner. Okay. If it's going, see, if it's going up, market is going up, you see a doji. You cannot make any decision. The market could be going further up, or market could be going further down, because bulls and bears are equally fighting. But if you get a confirmation candle, see the first one, hammer, inverse hammer followed by a doji. If I see a red candle, a big red candle, then I would say, okay, fair enough. Let me see what trend is going to make. But in this pattern, you can't make out anything. Doji, right? Very difficult. Spinning top. This is also spinning top. Spinning top has got a very big wick. Similar. It can be in green color or red color. The doji has got a small wick. If you look at this one, the spinning top has got a big wick. That means buyers and sellers are putting equal number of pressure. Tug of war is going on. Nobody is winning here. Falling three method. This pattern works. I've seen it. Success ratio is little good. When the market is falling down, and you see this three candle, but these three candles have not crossed the preceding red candle's top. Remember that. Very important. Market is falling down, and after that you see three candlestick pattern, green pattern, but it has not crossed the preceding red candle. That means market is going to further fall. Three rising method, same. Bullish candle, three red candles, but these three red candles have not crossed this green candle. So next is a bullish candle. So your trend would be up. It has come down, not gone up. See here it's gone up, but not crossed the bearish candle, right? Here, bullish candle, but it's not crossed. It's coming down. Look at the trend, down, down, down. That's it. So we have completed bullish candle. You have to keep practicing this. One day, if you look at the candle, it will not happen. You have to, because chart, when you look at the chart, I'll show you. When you look at candle individually, it's very easy. Okay, I've understood. Very easy, very easy. But when you look at the chart like this, very difficult. You have to train your eyes. You have to be like a surgeon, does an operation, right? He has to be very precise. So something like that. You have to have an eye of a surgeon. Here you have to identify whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle. Where is this happening at the resistance or happening at the support? How many touch points it has got? How to draw a trend line? That I'll come and tell you later. Any questions, please ask me. If you have any questions, please ask. So your silence says that you're all okay with the bearish candlestick pattern. You don't have any questions.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to understand the candles right now. So yeah.
Okay. But you have to practice. See, I'm telling you, just by telling you, it doesn't give you, it'll give you some impetus. Me giving you a coaching or training gives you impetus, but you have to practice it. Daily look at any chart, whatever stocks you have in hand in your portfolio, pick up that. If you have any of your stocks in portfolio, give the name. Any stock if you want to give, if you have it in your portfolio.
LIC.
LIC. Did you buy it at the IPO price?
Yeah.
There is LIC. I know LIC India. Yeah. All right. Let's see. So LIC. See now how you have to go. I'll tell you. See any stock you pick up. You start with the small time frame. Small time frame. What will happen? Nothing you can find out. Okay. Now I can see. Can you see anything from this chart? Can you make out anything? This question is for not only for him, for everybody. Just by looking this chart, can you tell me anything? What you can see here? What is happening with LIC India within a 15 minutes time frame? Quickly, somebody tell me.
It's going downwards.
Yes.
Yeah,
Going
and
downwards. How? Just take this line, connect these 4 points. देखो ऐसे. This is the trend, downward trend happening. If this LIC, I'm talking about only 15 minutes, okay? If this goes up this trend line, that means it will break this trend line, go up. Till the time it's going down, down, down. Okay, what we'll do now, we'll go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes mein kya ho raha kahani? Let's see what is happening with 30 minutes LIC. It's going down. Let's go with 1 hour time frame. Let's go with 2 hours time frame. I can see one more trend line which I can draw in here. Then I can see 4 hours. 1 day chart. All right. What I will do, what we can do here, see this, how many it came here till here, right? So you draw something close to, I don't use, I won't take by wick. You have 2 options to draw trend line. Okay, using the wick, you can put near the wick or at the candle, one here. Where the next support you have? Somewhere here. Kya kar raha hai? What is the stock doing? From here went up, but okay, anyway, this went till here. Same day it came down, so I won't consider it. Coming down, going up. Again, it'll come down to here, it should go up according to me, if that is a trend. Look at the pattern. And this is the box which is trading right now. For how many days? A lot of days. You look at the keep from when is this? Okay, let me check. कब से हो रहा है? Jan 24 से लेके अभी तक June, 6 months within the box. If somebody has bought it here, sold, टिक 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 इधर तक आया, बेच के पैसे बनाया, फिर खरीद के यहाँ तक पैसे बनाया. He has made money. Then you have to sell it. See, it's made a one kind of a inverse hammer, right? Like a shooting star. Top में बनाया इधर एक red candle, confirmation दिया, should have waited. Okay, again falling down. Can come. Or another thing what I can see here is, so you have here also a lot of touch points. See here. See the resistance. Every time it went here, came down. Went here, came down. Then it broke and went up, right? See here. But this crossed that support. So it broke the support, I would say. But only one candle. Let's wait for one more confirmation. So here was a resistance before. Okay, let me put it as a red color so you understand. There's a color here. See this. It came down, went up here. It touched, again came down. It retest, फिर गया. Second time it went, but no success. Again came down. Third time it made an attempt. Then it went up with a green bullish engulfing candle. Only then it could break. See that? Broke and went up. So this was the resistance, but this red line resistance became support now. But now support and went up. But now what happened? Again it came down. So now again it became a resistance. It has to break that. Trend is downward trend, and very crucial. Everybody should look at is the volume. See this volume is very, very less. That means selling is not happening aggressively. That is good. Look at this green candle, big volume. Look at the volume above average. Okay, let me show you here. This is the other thing you should have eye for things like, see, this is the average volume trend for LIC. Dekho, correct? This is an average. Whenever you see big candle, it is volumes are too high, bearish or bullish. See green candle, red. It has come out of it. Just good. See this green. That's the reason you had a very big candle. It could be news driven also. Might have come up with some good profit or whatever. It could be profit booking also. But what has happened is it crossed the support line for 2 days. From 2 days, it is revolving below the support line. So now it has become resistance. Again, it has to break if it has to go up. Look at the volumes. Volumes are less. That is okay. So I'm happy means aggressive selling is not happening, or very less people are selling, not big. If I see candle like this, huge above average candle, big candle, red candle here, like right here, red, then we should be a little worried. This is not a worry sign. It could be that some people may be acclimating stocks here. And chances are if it breaks this, it may go up, or it may come touch here, then it may go up. All right. Because we will be touch basing the same thing. My next topic, whatever I'm going to touch base is same thing. Where is that? It's called the breakout strategies. Price action. Same thing. So we have time. So we'll go by one. Very simple. You understand. I'll show you in the chart. And I'll think, okay. What are the different types of breakout trading strategy? Breakout, it could be going up or going down. Price channel breakout. There's one channel like this and breaks out. Can take any stock for that matter. LIC may. Okay, very good. See, here you have an LIC, very good. Ignore my green color, okay, because that's the color I chose. Let's put it black, right? So that feel comfortable. Abhi, what was happening with LIC? LIC was trading in this box. So let us put this box. In this box, it was trading. Okay. So what was happening? It was trading like this for so many days. It was trading. This is showing a channel breakout. This is also one channel only, but yeah, this is a box anyway. What happened? Once it broke out from here, it went up. Either it could have happened downwards or upwards. It went up because we had LIC. I'm showing LIC. It should have been little more, to the. Okay. Breakout channel, price channel breakout. This is in channel, but this is in box. Only difference is it would have been little on the. Would have been little like this on the top side. ऊपर रहता था ऐसे. All right. This was the resistance on the top. And this was the support. Once it broke the resistance, it went up. One more thing, whenever it goes up, it has to do retracement. Okay. Retracement, don't think or a market gir raha hai, we will sell it off and no. Retracement, you have to be a little careful. I'll teach you that also how to do it. You can use Fibonacci or whatever. Retracement will happen because when the market goes up, some people want to do profit booking, right? The profit booking will come. That's it. The market will go down. Again, it will go up. See, some people might have booked their profit here. Then they might have repented. Arey yaar, it went all the way. How much it went? Touch more than 1050. Here also, if you look at, it went till here, came down, again went up. Now it's following some kind of a box pattern. Again, I'm telling you, it may do something of this chart, but this had a very long duration. It went up. The same way, if this also follows, chances are it can break out or it can come till here. But if it falls below this line, that is 864, then it'll come to 688. Or there is small support here. See if the market went from here up. Okay. So that is one pattern. Next. Any questions? It's very simple. Yeah. There's a channel. I've shown you how you draw a channel. I think I've shown you in wait. HDFC mein channel tha nahi. HDFC, I think. Channel, no channel HDFC. Also almost same pattern, like it was trading in this range, right? Somewhere this range. From here, breakout came, went up. Box. It was inside the box for so many days, going in the top, coming down top. From here, it broke out. What you can do, see, you don't know whether it'll go up, right? You could have put a small stop loss at this resistance. एक ₹5 का stop loss 1675 पे था ना, 1680 पे रख के लगाना था. अगर chances थे, you would have come down. अब ऊपर चले गया, ₹5 गया बस. That's how you can take risk if it would have been. Next, we'll go to the next one. volume breakout. I would always say a breakout which comes with volume, you can trust that. That's how you have to go with it. If you see a good volume for a breakout, you can go with it. See this? Let's go with HDFC only. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे good volume है. Here volume is less, but it has went up. That's the reason it could not carry forward for much. Not very good volume. Again, here you have a good volume, but market did not fall. That means somebody was selling it, but buyers were there, did not come down so much. Here also, sellers are too many, but did not come much down, but because buyers were buying. That's the reason it kept it in range. If you have good volumes, you can trust it. It could have gone up. Volume breakout. So whenever you see a stock within a range and you see something like this, okay, let's pick up any other stock. Any other stock you have in your portfolio? Give me the name, please. Any stock, if you have it in your portfolio. Why I'm saying, because when you go back home or when you want to test it, you can use that same strategy for testing your other portfolios, other stocks in your portfolio.
I had Tata Technologies, but I sold it. Yeah.
Tata Technology. Tata Tech, na? Okay.
Yes.
Yaar. From small time to larger time frame, or from larger time frame, we can come to small. Okay, what we'll do the reverse also, not a problem. Daily. Okay, what is the trend you can see in Tata Technologies?
Downward trend.
Yeah, that means it's making higher low and lower low. High, next high is lower than the high next preceding high, and low is like that. Higher high, lower low. नीचे आ रही है trend, is going down. So what we will do? Simple, just very simple. Yeah, we are all. What you can do? Trend line. You can draw a trend line. You can draw like एक यहाँ से draw करो. अगर wick use करना है तो. If you don't want to use a wick, you want to use it from. Okay. Trend is poor. Yeah, but more thing I'll say is यहाँ पे double bottom बनाया है. Chances are there. See this? See this? Okay. Trend is down here. Double bottom twice it took. Chances are there. I'm telling you, it can go up from here. It can break and go up. Chances are less for me because already it came from how much? 1,300. But if it breaks this support, gone again, it'll come down. Then you have to use Fibonacci to find out how much it'll come down. But volumes are very less. I'm not happy. Good thing you did that you sold it. Volumes are too lessy, but I'm expecting buyers start pumping in from here slowly. They may get, again, remember what I'm saying. What they will do. This is my idea. What they will do. The big smart people. They'll bring one candle, small candle like this here. What will happen? People will think, "Arey bhai, ye marne wala hai." So a lot of people start selling. Smart people will start buying. Then after 5, 10, 20 days, you will see one huge big candle formation like this.
Okay.
This was going to happen. Because when they break this, they know that, okay, everybody is watching this chart, right? So think, acha, yeah, support hai, okay. What we will do, we'll push or one more candle you may get down. Lot of people will start selling and loss. Smart people will start buying slowly. And once they know that all sellers have gone, they'll push the market up. But if you look at the trend line, it's almost come to a place where it has to burst either side. It has to go up or down.
Okay.
But I think it should slowly go up. Volumes are slowly coming. I can see some green candle, but very small. It may go up, touch this trend line, again come down, break this support for 1 or 2 days, again it may go up. All right. Volume breakout. Here you don't have any volume.
Right.
So, Matthew, one question. I'm not sure if you're going to cover it in a later point. When you draw this line, right, you started from the top of the highest candle, right?
Yeah.
And what point did you take next? Like why did you take that red candle stop point and not any other red candle for that matter? There is one at around March or just before March.
No, you can't. How can you draw a trend line? It has to touch, right? So okay, let me delete this one.
So basically, you are trying to draw a line that touches maximum candles, but that does not cross any candle. Is that the way?
No. Yes. See this here. Oh, sorry. I would have put little above. Yeah. See this one here. You don't have anything here because second is here, right? Second candle wick is here. Third one, I don't see it. 99% of what will happen, I'll tell you. This candle may go and touch this trend line. It'll come down, may go below the support line, and may go up.
So, Matthew, if you look at somewhere around 26th of February, there is another small, hammer kind of candle that has a wick. So my question is that why did you not draw from top till there and you went all the way till the other?
Because okay, because I know I'm looking at the chart till today, right? How can I draw? Okay, let me tell you. Okay, good.
So
okay.
the last candle that has a wick which is higher than anyone else's is what.
Let me tell you, and let me draw one. Wait, hold on. If I draw one here, Feb का अरे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? ऐसे बोल रहे ना आप this one, right?
Yeah, like why not this one is what.
हाँ तो okay, you tell me if I draw something like this, what information does it give? Nothing it gives because I have to check till here, right? Ah, okay. If you what you're saying, अच्छा, okay, let me show it like this. एक मिनट यार. ये question अच्छा है. मैं क्या करूँगा आप? Okay. Just assume that I am looking at the chart at this day, okay?
Yeah.
मैं क्या करूँगा? I will draw. मैं ऐसा draw करूँगा. Trend line draw कर दिया, correct? It is touching more than. Sorry, I can't move that. All right, you see this? So मैंने actually I draw a trend line like this, touching this whatever touch base, correct?
Yep.
You got it. Now I will. What I would say, if it's going above the trend line, wait for the confirmation. It may go up. If it's below this, you have to short the market. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. What way? Okay. Let's see. See how it is respecting the trend line. I'll show you. Wait, I'll explain you. It hit the trend line, came down with a big bullish candle. It went up. This trend line was like a resistance before. When the green candle crossed, the next red candle almost touched the trend line and again went up, did not fall. That means that became a support. The resistance trend line became a support. So it was above the support, went up, again it came down. See here, this trend line became a support. Initially, this side below that it was a resistance. It became a support. You understanding the funda here?
Yes, yes.
Any trend line below that is a resistance above. So क्या हुआ देखो, cleanly maintain कर रहा है. It was below the trend line. It was went, then green candle crossed above, then it became a support. Support से यहाँ नीचे आने के बाद भी support लिया. It took support from there. Yeah, again it's going up. So what I'll do now, if I'm looking at the market at this position, what I'll do, I'll move this trend line now because I got one more touch point now. See, like this, I'll draw this wick here at 1, 2. Okay, this touch point not great, but anyway, I put like this. I'll draw a trend line. Support became resistance now. अभी देखो फिर support हो गया, ऊपर चले गया. So like that, it will act. So you have to keep on changing the trend line based on how many touch points you're getting. It was a gap down, big gap down that day. See How it's respecting the trend line? Exactly support, it went up. Yeah, that's it. So that's how you keep changing your support and resistance. I mean trend line for that matter. And it's nicely respecting it. And smart people know that most of the retailers are people are about trend lines, they'll draw like this. What they will do if they really want to move this stock up, okay, what these guys will do, they will break this support 1 or 2 candles down. All the people will get scared. They will start selling. Smart people will start buying. Then they'll push the market. FOMO is created. Again, they'll go push it till somewhere till this level here or close to this level till 1320. They may start selling. Oh no, they may push it further up. I think that is the case. And they'll start selling it. Okay, clear? This is to do with volume breakout. You always put volume in your chart whenever you have any stock. Put volume. For example, let me see. Favorite stock. Yeah. Look at the volume. Volume should be good. And whenever you draw this average volume, make a point that you see like this. This is an average volume. And see, whenever the breakout is happening, that means good volume. Some people start buying. Good volumes are coming in. See, good volumes are coming in. This was a July 4th candle. That's the reason it's a huge fall. But slowly. But now 3, 4, 5 days, 7, 10 days, volumes are less. Maybe they're waiting for some results coming up, quarterly results. Of course, could be some. After that, again, the volume may shoot up. So you have to be very careful. Volume breakouts are breakouts which happen when the volumes are too high. Breakout happens. See this? Okay, let me draw here. See this candle, 1, 2, 3. All 3 candles went up till here. Happened because there's amazing volume. These are called volume breakouts. Because of volume, stock went up. After that, you see a big red candle. Volume came down. That came down because is the reason there was a gap down. You see the gap. Whenever you see a gap in the candle, that is a gap down. When you see a gap up, that means market had a gap up that day. Simple. Next, very simple to understand. I'll show you in chart also. You can make it out. Next, cup and handle breakout. This is little difficult for your naked eyes to see, but once you start seeing it quite often, you'll understand why they call it cup and handle. See this? This is like a cup का जो अंदर का भाग है, the cup है, ये handle है. Handle actually it should be till here. This is a handle. This is like a cup. Let's see. Cup and handle किसमें? You'll not get it exactly like that, but I will show you which one. What was that stock? But that gold stock. Yeah, I forgot about the name of the gold stock. Yeah, but handle. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको cup and handle? मुझे दिख रहा है. How many of you guys can see cup and handle in this? But only thing, the drawback was that 4th June came and broke the entire stuff because that day was the election day. Otherwise, I can see cup and handle here. How many of you can see? That's what I'm telling you. You have to train your eyes.
So handle, Matthew, basically is the couple of trend lines that are just
see this. यहाँ पे देखो. ये cup. This is a cup, and this small deviation going small towards came down, going up is a handle. अभी आप मैं ड्रॉ करूंगा, दिखेगा शायद आपको.
Basically range bound movement is what we are referring as handle.
अरे यहाँ तक आना था. ये दिख रहा है सर? कप का तो आ गया.
Yes.
See this? But the cup, the handle actually यहाँ पे बन गया था. See this is a handle, but the June 4th, because of that, I mean, you can't do anything about that, but because of election ka aa gaya. But actually this was forming that same pattern like cup and handle breakout pattern. See, exactly it was forming the same thing, cup and handle. There's one gold stock, I could see that. What was that? Even I entered that gold stock looking at a cup and handle, but the result came so poor, it crashed. So this is how so you can see this. यहाँ पे है. Actually, it should come till here. ये नीचे आ रहा देखो. Same. See this? Cup and handle. Which stock is IRFC? You have to train your eyes. Quickly, if you look at this, you cannot make it out. Like a U shape. Then after that, retracement will come. After retracement, it will again jump. Retracement will come after it goes up. That means confirmation that the market is going to, the stock is going to go up. But here, unfortunately, because of June 4th, it went down. This is cup and handle. Can't think of any other stock. Let me IRFC. Which was that? Not getting the name of the gold stock. It was a pure nice cup and handle it made. Okay, let's start with yeah. Doesn't have. Give me any stock which you have in your portfolio.
Camps.
Campus.
Not campus, camps.
Camps, हाँ, okay. नहीं यार ये तो ट्रेंड बना रहा है यार, ये तो ऊपर जा रही है. Trend is a little bullish trend. So if you look at this, see this. Put cursor like this. Okay, touch points I have touched. I'm not catching the wicks because wherever it closed, so it has got a, but it's going in a channel. If you see, this is nicely going in a channel. See this. ये इसको ऊपर है, बेच देना आते टकक बेच देना, नीचे आते खरीद लेना. अगर you want to do play like that, you can play like that also. Nicely, it is going in a channel. Okay. Down, up, again bring up, down, again it'll go like, but it is a trend is up towards upside. This trend is upside. If it breaks from here, I told you that upward channel breakout, the first one. Yeah, this is something like this. If it breaks out from here, if you see a candle somewhere like this here, breaking out here, one candle like this, wait for confirmation. Okay, I'll show you what will could happen. Sorry. Here you may have one more candle like this. Let it retrace, means retrace बोले तो let it come down. Okay, फिर नीचे आएगा, ऐसे नीचे आएगा. जब नीचे आके ना, then it starts going up, then you buy. Don't buy here because again risk, it may fake breakout and may come down again in this channel. Don't fall prey for that. So let it go up, come back, take the support in this channel because this was a resistance. See, this channel is a resistance now. When it goes up, it becomes a support. It'll come to support the test. Test the support. After testing the support, if it starts going up, then you buy, no problem. But if you buy after the one candle here, risk. Again, it may fall. Chances of that again fall in the channel. This is called channel breakout. Good. Thank you for giving me camps. The channel, but it is in the upward trend. One more thing, if it breaks this channel, comes down, this is support. See, whenever it touching the support is going up. If it breaks this support, again it becomes resistance. What will happen again? It'll form one candle here like this. Then again it'll come here. It'll make another candle like this. Okay. It has to come. Wait for confirmation. Let it come one more candle here. Let it come here. After this candle further falls because retest ho gaya. After retest it comes down, then you short camps. Intraday you can do shorting, no problem. Why? Because confirmation. You got a confirmation that it is coming down, but again bulls came back. They tried to pull the market and push it above this above the resistance, but they could not fail. that means bears have taken control, market will tend to fall. That's how you have to wait. 99% people have seen when the breakout happens here, यहाँ पे breakout आते ही क्या करते हैं इधर ऊपर, they'll think okay, trend breakout, we'll start buying from here. No, let it go up, let it come back. Let it go up like this. Again, what will happen? Let it come down. Touch the support. After touching support, again it goes back from here like this. Then I would say go and buy. You know why? Retracement happened. Sellers tried to pull the market down. The best they gave, they could not succeed. Again, bulls took control. The market is going up. From here, you get a confirmation. I would say buy. In the same way here, market is going down.
So, Matthew, sir, when you are looking for confirmations like these, does the time interval matter? Like we are looking at a daily chart right now.
Yeah,
right?
daily chart only I'm talking about. No.
No, no.
Look at daily chart only.
Also, I need to have on a daily chart only, right? It cannot be an hourly chart or a
no,
minute chart.
Hourly chart. If you are want to do intraday quick buy and sell, you want to do it. But you have a portfolio. Just imagine. Okay, let me give you a example. Okay, you are having does CAMS part of F&O?
I'm not sure.
Okay, I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, if it is part of F&O, I would have told the strategy. If it is breaking down and you got a confirmation like this, it came up till here. Again, it is going down. That means 100% confirm that it came down. Again, they try to pull the market up, but no. The bears to control. Now what you can do, you can short the market. But if it's part of your portfolio, I would say you can play intraday. Nothing will happen. Intraday you can play whatever profit you make here, that will be nullified with the loss what you incurred on the stock. For example, should I put it? Assume that you have 100 stock, okay, in CAMS. Okay. Assume you have 100 stocks in CAMS. Okay. So what you can do intraday, you can buy intraday. I'm talking about 100 CAMS stock and short it because you know for sure short it came down, went up for retracement after that again it coming down. So 100 stock. So 100 stock market went down by 20%. Okay, or 10%. So what about 10%? Your actual stock less here you are making that 10% money. So you're getting nullified. Or what you can do, you can buy double the quantity if you have more money because intraday you get a margin money. 200 stocks of same CAMS you can buy and short and you'll make some profit. That's how they do hedging. All players, that's how they have to do hedging. If you see it. Anyway, anyway, class has crossed almost like 1 hour, 12 minutes. So cup and handle I've shown you breakout. You can see long.
So, Matthew, sir, I had another follow-up question on the timeline stuff that I asked. So, think of a real breakout, okay? Like, say it actually broke out from the resistance that it had, and I'm looking at a daily chart. If it is a real breakout, waiting for the confirmation and all, is it like will it still be a good buy after the confirmation, or has it already broken?
No, it will be a good buy. Without confirmation, I'm skeptical. Even you could have a okay. Let me show you the HDFC Bank. Okay, see this HDFC Bank may. Let me draw or take off all this lines. Okay, for you. Abhi, what was the trend going on till here? See this playing around this here and here, right? It was going around like this. Correct? It's playing around this. Yeah, see, breakout came from here. One green candle, then followed by a red candle. It was testing, but small testing. It has not done a big one. It tested. The bears pulled it market down, but it was support पे था. Again green candle. Slowly it went up. Testing तो हुआ ना. Green candle के बाद एक small red candle came testing, but not a big testing here. Retracement has to happen. If retracement happens for a good retracement, I'm sure you'll make 1:2 or 1:3 profit. Means if you put 10,000, you'll get up to 20,000. Good jump you'll get. Nice jump. Intraday mein. Get a very good jump. Here it was a small retracement. So let me see which. See this. Very good example. This is playing in the range. It went false breakout there. फिर नीचे आया bearish candle. It again for see that's what I'm telling you. It went up, gave a small retracement, went up, but could not go up further because small retracement. I want a good retracement happening. So niche again it came down to the channel playing channel. It broke out. It broke out, came down, broke little bit of the support. This is a good retracement. Came down, but only thing it wanted to scare all the what do you call the support people here. It came down 2-3 days. A lot of people might have got scared, but it went up. See, went till here. From where it went? From here, how much? 441 till it went up to 556. This is a good retracement. See, went up. Acha retracement नीचे तक आया, then went up. This is good. But if it is small retracement, then the what do you call the ratio of success will be less. That's how you calculate it. Retracement after retracement, I'm telling you 90% you can be damn sure, 90% sure that market will really shoot up nicely. Flag and pole pattern also is very important.
In this chart, Matthew sir, you would recommend that person should be buying it on the maybe can you go there? I'll say the trade. So retracement will mean that when it goes down and then it comes back and crosses that resistance again.
Correct.
Which is that green candle somewhere after that doji that we are seeing. Is that
correct?
The one?
See this. यहाँ पे आया इधर breakout हुआ. I will not buy. Second breakout or third breakout. If you want to play intraday, okay, but risky. Why? Retracement नहीं आया means retracement has to come. Next day, 3-4 day retracement came. Then you saw one hammer, inverse hammer. Then it has to break this. See now it's a resistance. When it comes down, it became resistance. So resistance break kara. Then it went up. That is a good sign because it had a retracement. Retracement is a very good sign. That means again bulls have taken control. Market tendency of going up is high. Retracement when it happens, when profit booking happens. After profit booking, still people are buying. That means the stock has got strength. Otherwise, market gone up, people start booking profit, without retracement. What will happen? Suddenly you can see one big reddish candle somewhere like this. Suddenly you'll see some big reddish candle like this. And it will keep coming down. We need to have a nice retracement. Retracement का मतलब ये नहीं कि again it will come till here. It should not cross 50%, 33%. When I teach you about Fibonacci, then I'll tell you how you should check all that stuff. कैसे check करते हो आप लोग? There's one tool, Fibonacci tool. 50% से ज़्यादा हो गया तो it's not good. Then it is a bearish territory. 33%, that is 38% is 33 to 38% is good. Okay, retracement is good. Above that is not good. Okay, let's go back. This is important. Actually, what is the time now? Okay. Triangle breakout. what I was showing, Mr. Who was that who asked me about Tata? What was that? Tata Technologies, right?
Yeah, Tata Technologies. Yeah.
This was a trend for you. See,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Right.
I've shown you exactly resistance. Hey, yeah. नीचे आ गया तो नीचे it will go further, it'll break and it'll come. But if it breaks on the upside, it'll go up. But the only thing why I said chances are high on the top means I could see very less volumes. Petty volumes I could see.
Mm-hmm.
If volumes were good, I would have said, okay, fair enough. Market नीचे जाने के chances high है. Exactly this is what triangle pattern. Which stock was it? Can you tell me that? It was Tata Technologies, right?
Yeah, Tata Tech. Yeah.
Tata Tech. See, exactly. We have the same pattern. देखो. Take off this trend line. See this same resistance, all resistance. Breakout. ये नीचे आ गया करके breakout हुआ. Here. See if it comes down, it comes down. But what I can see here, I'm not very happy because अच्छा volume also same यार. पहले से उतना ही है. It is also very less. Exactly, this is a triangle breakout. If you could look at Tata Tech, exactly same thing happening. If it falls down below the support line, gone down, gone. Then you have to wait for IPO. This is IPO started on 30th November 23. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you bought it IPO.
Yeah, I bought it IPN and sold it at the very launch day itself.
So you bought it at around 1300, eh? Or you
Yeah.
bought it at 1200.
No. I mean, I got an IPO and then I sold it off.
Yeah. But I mean, I don't know. My mind says chances are there. The volumes, yeah, volumes are very low. You look at the volumes, initial 2-3 days after, volumes are very low. Somewhere you got see some green candles here, it went up. Again, resistance. A triangle breakout, very simple. If you can see one triangle formed, you look at the touch points, how many times the stock came and touched and went up there. There you can draw another trend line and that's a triangle breakout. You have to train your eyes. I'm telling you, if I don't draw this now, if I don't draw this like this, and if you look at this, you may be still looking something like this, or you may be looking something like this. Which समझ में नहीं आता आपको.
Right.
You'll think array market. You might have seen array market will go up from here. But if you have drawn a trend line, you know that that's a resistance. People might have expected from here, a market can go up from here, it might have gone up. No, because resistance hai. If you draw the trend line, that's a resistance. Anyway, any questions with triangle breakout? Very simple.
Yep.
Draw touch points. Any stock you pick up, any stock will have touch points. You take any stock. Let's talk about ICICI Bank. This is a 1 day time frame. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can see a lot of touch points, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you. I mean, if people doesn't know, I'll tell you how to draw. Upside and downside, how you can draw. ये कहाँ तक जा till where it can go. And this is also going in a channel. This is how it is going. It's also maintaining a channel. See, exactly. See, from one touch point here, this is almost like a second refusal came at the top. Third, it came exactly touching the trend line and coming down. Again, from support, it went up. From here, see, the support went up. Looking at the trend line. यहाँ देखो, अगर extend this करूँगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ये, यहाँ से गया. This is how you draw a trend line. Simple. Oh, sorry. Make sure that it has a proper you. Keep it like this. Yeah. Touch points. This also got a trend line. And if you want to do short intraday for 30 minutes, You can check for 30 minutes also. So this is how it is. I drew for 1 hour, sorry, 1 day, but how nicely it's falling. See, intraday, I'm talking about 30 minutes, went up, it touched, made a double top, bearish candle, it's coming down. See, support yahan pe bhi yeah, here it went down to fool some people to scare them so that it can go up back in the channel. You can make this 15 minutes channel also, you can make. Like this. Well, look at the volume. Always make sure you put volumes in your chart so that you can see. If you want further confirmation, you can draw what do you call? You can put some. How many of you use RSI?
Not heard of it.
Not heard of it. Okay, fine. I'll take. Okay. Simple as that. Okay, triangle breakout. So we have touch base. How many now from starting? One is price channel breakout. In camps, we spoke about that, but it is not broken out. Camps, it's making a channel. If it breaks out, that's called channel breakout. Daily time frame I'm talking about. Okay, next. Volume breakout. Whenever you see a good volume followed by the prices going up, that's a confirmation that yeah, it is going to go up. Volume breakout. Cup and handle breakout. I think cup and handle I've shown in PFC or IRFC. I'm not sure. You can draw. You have to train your eyes. You can have to draw like a cup and handle. There's high chances that it will break out. Triangle breakout. Just now in Tata Tech, I think we have seen it. Triangle breakout when the stock is falling down from every day. That's called high low and low low. From every high is low compared to the previous high. So high low and low low. Every low is lower than the previous low. So that's breakout. Rectangular breakout. I have already spoken because I cannot find a channel. I've shown you a rectangular breakout, nothing but. Let me take which was the stock. Stock I took was HDFC, I think. Wait. Yes. Correct. HDFC. See a rectangular. If here rectangle ke andar hai. This is inside a rectangle and broke out. Same. This is rectangle, resistance and support. This is resistance. Should draw it in a red color. This is support. Support should be in green color. No, you can put any color, but I'm just telling you so we understand it. That's it. Support, resistance, and broke out. Rectangular. It was playing for so many days within the range and broke out from there. Simple. You have to train your eyes and you should know how to draw the line. Support and resistance. Support touch points. How many touch points are there? You have to keep checking it and draw that. Last time, where did the stock come? Last point, where it touched? Okay, here. And the top, how many times it came and stood there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, see, 4 candles. 4 days it tried to cross this resistance, but could not. So it finally fell. Again went up. It could not. Came down again. This time made a good effort. One day, see, false breakout. This is what I told you. It went up, no confirmation candle. Next candle actually should have a confirmation candle above this red candle. No, it came down. Again, green candle, touch the resistance. 2, 3 candles, it was hovering above the support. One red candle like that, then it went up. So this is rectangular breakout. Any questions, please ask. If it's too much of information, please let me, I will stop. If you think I'm bombarding with too much of information which is not getting your head, please let me know. I will stop.
Yeah, actually, it is too much information, Matthew.
Okay, that's. But see, you have to practice. That's what I'm telling you. I will be sharing this PPT or whatever document I have. You have to practice. You take your own stock, whatever you have in portfolio or your stocks which you like. Go through that, open that stock chart, and forget about all this trend lines. छोड़ दो, पूरे छोड़ दो. Any stock, okay? Let me. You give me any random stock, we'll put it here. Okay. We'll go with recently. Okay. Aarti Hexa. All right. Aarti Hexa है क्या? Hexa trade Hexa. यार. Aarti spelling I think no B.
BHA. BHA.
BHA. Here Aarti Hexa. Or any chart you take, what you do? Go with a 1 day time frame. You can go with weekly time frame. You can go with monthly. You start with monthly. So what is happening? You just check. So make the chart like this. इसका ट्रेंड कैसे देख सकते हैं आप? पहले what simple you do, nothing you have to do. What you do? Use one of the drawing tools. Go to your arrow trend line. So see current this points, 3 points or 2 points. 2 points touch. Okay. So I made like this. 2 point corrected touching. Now what you do? Change to weekly. Weekly and see if any difference is there. Weekly you'll see something like this. Right? Then you go and check daily. Daily. This is daily chart. Make it little smaller so that you touch base points. You correct है. हाँ ठीक है. सब कुछ ठीक है. What is the trend? It's going upward trend. Stock even though it's falling, but it's in the upward trend. ऊपर जा रही है. Okay. And if you want to draw up, like it's also following a channel. If you want to draw that, you can draw a channel also. This is how you learn. You check how things are going. You can draw 2 touch points using that wick, or with you don't want the wick. Some people use wick, some people use without wick. It's up to you. Based on your preferences, you can use it. Nobody's right, nobody's wrong here. Okay. You can use this touch points like this. From here, you can move towards 2 hours. Make it small chart so that you can see it properly like this. You can go to 1 hour chart. You can make it like this small, check it. Then from here, you can go to 30 minutes, whatever, 30, 15 minutes. You can see this is how you have to see whether your trend line, whatever you're drawing is correct or not. Start observing things. First time you may make a mistake. You'll correct your mistake. Second time, again, you'll add something like that, you'll become perfect. First time, it's not necessary that you have to be correct. Right? This is an upward trend. By looking at it, I can say that no, this stock is going an upward trend. Upward trend will only break if it comes down. This trend line. Correct? Simple as that. All right, so I'll stop you here. I think we have only other move. Flag and pattern. This is very good. Yeah? This is like 80%, 70 to 80% chances are there. Head and shoulders is there. Double top and double bottom. W pattern and M pattern. Very important. How to find out this is also very good pattern. Resistance and support breakout. Trend line breakout. Trend line breakout anyway, we have seen that. See high, low, higher high and lower low. This is also there. Momentum breakout. All right, anyway, we'll touch base the next training session. Meanwhile, last time also I asked you, open any chart, find out the candles. I put it because you gave me an answer. You have not done yourself that, took up some stock. 30 minutes you could have spent and shared with me. I would have corrected you. You would have got some information. Nobody did that. पैसे लगाते यार, आपका मेहनत के पैसे, your hard earned money, you're putting it in the stock. If you can't put weekly 30 to 1 hour, then I don't think, then makes any serious effort.
We'll do it, Matthew.
Yeah, you have to, otherwise, you're hard earned money. I'm telling you, nobody will give you free money. Market, it's like, it's not, people say it's easy money. It's not an easy money. I'm telling you. If you know how to get easy money, only through training. You need to understand how the stock behaves. Every stock has got a behavioral pattern. Every stock has got a different information it'll give. You have to capture that before somebody else could, and that's how you make money. I've seen a lot of people making. They only play support, resistance, and they make money. Some people use that, what do you call, flag pattern, flag and pole pattern. Whenever they see flag and pole, they'll make money. Some people only trade on inverse hammer, only trade on what do you call, evening star or morning star. Any other thing they will not do, because they have become perfect in that. So you have to pick up 1 or 2 or 3 patterns and candlestick patterns, trend lines, and start playing with only those so that you become master. When you become master, that means even at night somebody calls and tell, hey, what do you think? Okay, this is a bearish pattern. Why? Because this is a evening star formed at the top. So you'll make start. Then after mastering that, you go to some other thing and start mastering it. That's how you can do it. Everything you can't learn at a go, because you'll not become perfect. Hope I make some sense here.
Yes.
Yep. So Matthew sir, a couple of questions. This
Yeah.
tool that you're using, gocharting.com, is this the
कुछ भी
good
use
one?
कर सकते हैं यार, anything can use.
So basically all of this drawing and stuff we can do on, say I have a Zerodha account. So on the Zerodha account also I can draw and do all of that, right?
अरे यार, मैं अभी login करके दिखाता हूँ Zerodha में. Wait, why you can't do anything? You
No,
have a lot of other.
Yeah. So I just look at the charts and just drawing and stuff is something that I have not seen in there. But yeah, I'll try that out. So that was one question. The second question, like you were saying, like people are looking for specific patterns and stuff, right? So there, how do you actually pick a stock to start analyzing that chart?
Sorry, read it.
My question is that right now we are looking at the charts in the past and we are identifying the patterns and stuff, right? But when it is happening in the real time, how do I, so there are more than 500 stocks listed on the exchange, right? How do I make sure that I'm looking at it at the right time, or how do I pick the stock first of all to start analyzing it?
So what do you have to do? First, good question. What do you have to do? You have to choose what kind of a stocks you want to go into. For example, Nifty 50 stocks are very, very good stock because they're the top 50 companies in the country, right?
Yep.
In that, you have to, what you have to do, take those 50 stocks right from the top. Every stock has got a weightage in Nifty 50. What do you go to Google, type Nifty 50 weightage. You'll get Nifty 50 index. PDF you got. See, every stock has got a weightage. So here, see this. HDFC, I think this is old information. HDFC Bank 11%, Reliance 9%, ICICI. Like this, you'll have weightage. Okay. So you identify which stock you want to do some R&D, or identify any stock out of the Nifty 50. You pick up stock. How you'll pick up means look at their financial trend. Is a financial trend of each company. For that, what you have to use it, there's something called screener. Screener pe jao. You type screener. You type HDFC Bank. Sorry, I'm just using for letting you know. HDFC में आ गया. इधर आने के बाद what you'll see, scroll down. See the HDFC Bank. Okay, you'll have financial quarterly results. Revenue, is it increasing every quarter? 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 7, 40, 45. Increase हो रहा है. Profit, interest is that nothing but profit, right? Interest. Expenses है. Financing profit. इनका देखो, is it increasing? Okay, profit before tax. Increasing or decreasing every quarter and quarter? Net profit increasing or not? How much reserve they have? What is their EPS? EPS increasing or not? You'll check. This you have to check and look at the price. Is the price going up or not? Why it's not going up? If you ask me, HDFC, nothing it has done wrong. If you look at the net profit every quarter, it's almost is giving good results, but not improving great, but it's going. See, from 12,000 next quarter, it went up to 17,000 crores. But it was within the range. Next quarter, 17,000, now 18,000. Nothing bad, but that's how you have to pick a stock. Then pick a stock. After that, you see the trend. Stock ka trend kya? What is it? Trend it is showing? Is it upward trend or downward trend? Look at some news. Do some research. Go to Google and research about that stock. You'll get a lot of news about some particular stock, whichever you're picking up. What kind of business they do? Who are their competitors? What is the profit earning for those competitors? Why the stock price is going up? ICICI price is going up, even though the profit is not as exponentially bigger than HDFC, but the stock price is less compared to HDFC. That could be one of the reasons. You have to do like that analysis. You have to do.
Sure. Yeah, analysis part I'm clear. My question was more of the first part that you answered. That how to first of all pick the one that I want to analyze.
Correct. Screener may okay. What you can do? Screener you have inbuilt screens. Okay. See, popular themes are there. Debt reduction, FI buying. Okay, you want to know which are the stocks FIs are buying. FIs are buying this. Punjab National Bank, Vodafone, all these are bought by FIs are buying every. And you look at the percentage, how much percentage they're holding. So look at FI holding 4%, 12. So you can go in the screener. You already built growth without dilution. That means they have not diluted their share. Companies are growing. Which are those companies? And choose out of this 30 or 40 whatever companies they have given. You pick up and choose which companies you are. Acha, we're talking about see gold. This Rajesh Exports. ये नाक में दम करके छोड़ा मेरे को. This actually had a very good what do you call cup and handle pattern, but it broke waste. I don't know why. It came up with a very poor result. Anyway, so like that you have to find out.
Okay.
Through Screener. This is a very good tool, Screener. Just register with your email address. You don't have to buy anything from here, but use it has got golden crossover, RSI oversold. RSI was supposed to tell you oversold. Any stock which is oversold means chances of falling is high. So you can pick up those stocks. Which stocks are those? Does that stock fall under Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 or their penny stocks? So you get a lot of information like that. All right.
Yep.
All right. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can put it in the chat. We will discuss and start. If you're not in the part of portfolio, start pick up pick any stocks or indices, Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty, Financial Fin Nifty, or tomorrow there's a expiry for what do you call mid cap stocks. So start doing that and ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to answer you.
Sure.
All right. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Matthew, you'll be sharing the deck and the one that you shared about the candlestick patterns last week.
Yeah, candlestick pattern I'll share. Not this the other one, but the candlestick pattern, yes.
Sure.
I'll share in the group. Yes.
That will be helpful. Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.